Hey, welcome to Wagner Academy. This is SAT Math question 79. It says if the average of 2j and k is equal to 50% of 6k, what is the value of j divided by k? So let's make sense of this first. The average of 2j and k is equal to 50% of 6k. So the average, to find the average of anything, you add the terms and divide by how many terms there are. So this is 2j plus k, that's just two terms, so we're going to divide by 2. And that is equal to, so I can write equals 50%, or in other words, 0.5 or 0.50, 50% of or times 6k. So from there, I can start to solve for the variable. So I've got 2j plus k over 2. I could multiply everything right away to get rid of the fractions. I like doing this to get rid of the fractions. Could multiply by 2. That would get this to cancel, but I'd have to do the same thing on the other side. This would leave me with 2j plus k equals 2 times the 0.5, or 2 times 1/2 would just be 1, so this would equal 6k. And so if I solved that, if I had j in terms of k, if I subtracted k, that would leave me with 2j equals 5k. And then from there, since I'm looking for the value of j divided by k, if I divided this side by k and this side by k, well, actually let me do, I think, a better idea, or a simpler way to see it would be to divide both sides by 2 first. We'll get that and that to cancel. We'll have j equals 5/2 times k, and then if I divided both sides by k, the k's would cancel here, and I'd be left with what I'm looking for. J divided by k equals 5 over 2, 5/2. So my final answer on this one is right there, 5/2.